Which ice cream do you think gives you the most dough in your cookie dough ice cream? We melted down Kroger, Ben & Jerry's, Target, Walmart, and more to see which gives you the dough. In 5th place, Kroger Deluxe Jammed. In 4th place, Target's Favorite Day. In 3rd place, Blue Bunny. 2nd place, Haagen-Dazs. And 1st place, Ben & Jerry's.